So in terms of some of the specific initiatives you're thinking about for 2024, talk a little bit about that.
Sure. So Wood kind of reinvented itself we're about 2 years into that journey now. We focus on our specializations. So we have a group focused on projects, a group focused on operations, and a group focused on consulting. And systems integration, which is my business, is in the consulting part of Wood. We think of those areas as not divisions, but they're specializations that really come together and create magic when it's one Wood, what we call the one Wood solution. And in consulting, we kind of have some specialization as well. We do our traditional business like a Mac and can be a automation provider and do all that for sure. But when we start to specialize is where we can create some additional value for our customers. So we have like 5 areas of specialization. One of them is asset health, helping customers be more predictive, proactive on keeping their assets running in the plant, using expertise, domain knowledge,